Presently, the Second Republic is driving the efforts to find closure and healing for the scars from the disturbances that characterized the early years of our independence. Through various mechanisms, including initiatives led by our traditional leaders and communities, we are addressing the Gukurahundi matter. Emboldened by the fact that we are one people, strengthened by our diversity and the spirit of love, inclusivity and tolerance, we continue to march towards sustainable social and economic stability and prosperity of our nation. Further guided by our mantra, leaving no one and no place behind, my administration is ensuring that all provinces and districts experience shared national development and prosperity, leaving no one and no place behind.